Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching the exam calculator in the gate interface and immediately confirming exam mode and permissions. Once launched, set your angle mode and preferred decimal formatting so answers match question expectations. Then clear any stored memory and run 3 quick checks: simple multiplication, addition, and a bracketed expression to ensure correct order of operations. This saves time later and prevents input errors. Make sure to note display limits and exponent formatting so you avoid misreading large or small values during the test. You now handle the complex middle steps. Break multi-part problems into stored subresults using memory keys, store constants or intermediate sums, and recall them with Mr. Once done, apply scientific functions like logarithms, exponentials, roots, and inverse trigonometry, remembering the mode and principal values. Use parentheses liberally to force the intended operation order and to avoid cascading errors. When chaining functions, compute and verify each stage before moving on so a single misstep doesn't invalidate a multi-line solution. You finish by recomputing the final numeric value at least twice and confirming the displayed format matches the question's required precision. Round only in the final step. Once satisfied, carefully enter the number into the answer box, checking for misplaced decimal points or extra zeros. If anything goes wrong, if the calculator freezes, misbehaves, or displays improbable results, refresh the exam tool or reopen the calculator. Then re-enter the values step by step from your notes. This troubleshooting tip preserves time and prevents cascading errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.